I don't know what it means to make love. I don't even know what it means to make love. I know that it means you don't try to put your finger in her butt. That's not making love at all. That's making boundaries. If you're going to be in a successful relationship, you have to know what kind of business she runs back there. All are welcome, none are welcome. You can play on the porch, but you can't come in. That's a popular one. Some girls treat it like a restaurant that lets you smoke on the patio. Can we smoke inside? No, you may not. What about the patio? Well, that's open all night long.